Well, good morning, good morning, good morning. Out on Jimmy today. We are going to catch up on the On Freedom's Wings sculpture because it was yesterday, yesterday, transferred to site, and the work has begun to hoist it into place. So I didn't know that this was happening because I also didn't know that my contact with the On Freedom's Wings project is no longer with them. So Ken sadly has is not with the project anymore, which is a massive shame. Yeah, he's no longer with the project, so I didn't get any information about, when the movement was happening and anything else, so a bit upset about that. I caught up with it on the On Freedom's Wings site on Facebook, so go to there and you will see that happening. Full police escort to get I don't know whether it's all of the sculpture that's up there now or whether it's just the majority of it, but they were lifting it into place yesterday, craning it into place. So I asked this morning if I could go and film an update on it, and they said yes, as long as I stay behind the barriers. But I'm just sad that Ken is no longer part of the project and I don't have a liaison there. Never mind, not a lot I can do about it. Unless you are part of the project and you are willing to be a contact for me, so I know sort of what's going on, and then I can pop over at key moments to film bits. I would like to be there for the grand opening, though. I know that's a bit cheeky, but I would love to be, because I've seen so much of the project now. I'd love to be there for that moment. Wow, look at that. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Look at the size of that thing. It is massive. Oh, wow. To see this thing actually happening now, it's just phenomenal, isn't it? This is magnificent, isn't it? Oh man. Well, there it is. Well, the start of it. The tail section is right there, right in front of us there, look. Waiting to go into place. Oh, and there's some guns there, look, sticking out the back of it. Oh, it's absolutely incredible. There's guys, well, they're not up there now. They were up there a little while ago, working at height, putting the fixings in. It's just an incredible sight, isn't it? The amount of work that's gone into this project. Massive thanks to everybody involved in it, especially this company, Timmins Engineering and Construction. They put so much work into that. Most of that engineering work, if you see my previous video, I'll put a link below, from the when Timmins had an open day for invitees only. I was lucky enough to get an invite that day, because I had the contact, Ken Sadler. Thank you, Ken. I know you're no longer involved with this project, but thank you for allowing me to come and be involved in a very small way. But this is sort of, it looks like sort of midway through the construction, doesn't it? I don't know how far through it is. It must be midway through by now. I mean, I'm presuming those sections up there on the wing, they'll be put in after it's all fixed in. There's another section there. And then there's the same on the lower wing on that side. I'm presuming they're going to be added once it's done, or maybe not, I don't know. How incredible a structure. It's just stunning, isn't it? To actually see it now, you know, after all the talk and seeing it on the ground and seeing it in various different stages, to actually see it up there. Such a heavy lump as well. Such a heavy piece of steel. Phenomenal. And long may it grace the skyline in Lincolnshire. So there's lots of people here as well. Lots of people have come up to see this bit of the construction. The beginning of it. History in the making. Norton Disney, just a mile up the road, mile and a half up the road from this site as well, which is where the Time team were doing their latest dig. So that's all on YouTube. If you're a bit of a Time team fan, it's literally just up the road from there. I feel really quite proud that the little Moto Mogul channel has had something to do with this project. A tiny amount, granted, but still being able to just document it on video, it feels important to me, being, you know, quite local to the area. And I hope you've enjoyed it. You know, if you've got anything to do with the RAF or the forces, or, you know, just a bit of a patriot, or you're interested in Lancasters and aviation in general, then this project should be of interest to you. If you're local, it should be a project that brings a great deal of pride to you, that this is going to be on your doorstep. So yeah, long may it grace the skyline on the Lincolnshire-Nottinghamshire border. Anyway, that's me done. I've got a dash. I will see you on the next video. Thanks for coming with me. Hope you enjoyed it. My name's Jack Porter. This is the Moto Mogul channel. If you enjoyed it, give us a like, give us a subscribe. Would be awesome. And then you'll catch up with all my shizzle as it happens. See you soon. Bye for now.